Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this is the Apple iPad Air 5th generation.
We have it here in the space gray. Look how beautiful that color is on this iPad. I love it. It's so thin, lightweight, but yet nice and sturdy. And there's so much you're able to do with this. Of course, it has the Touch ID, so you're able to use your fingerprint to open it, and then it also has your passcode. So you're nice and secure using this iPad. And check out how gorgeous the screen resolution is. The colors just really pop on this iPad Air screen. I think that it's just gorgeous. It runs nice and smooth and fast, and you're also able to multitask and customize all of the apps and different pages that you use frequently so that you're able to really get the most out of this space and be able to stay nice and organized. So all in all, this is just a fantastic tablet. That space gray color is so beautiful. And I just think that this is an amazing tool to stay productive.
If you have been looking to upgrade your iPad or get yourself a great tablet, I highly recommend checking this out. That's just my point of view.